It is early in the morning, around 7 o'clock, and we are walking the entire Nauru country, island-ish. See? We are in Nibok at the moment. Walking, walking, walking. Yep. And we're halfway through, around halfway done with this island walk. There's Arlo. Come on, Arlo. But yeah, we pretty much decided to wake up early and start at around 5:30 to walk this. 5:30. And yeah, it's already past 7 o'clock. It's good exercise. It's a bucket list item. And I think there's some gunky stuck in my eye or something. Yeah, the streets of Nauru. So if you want to come to Nauru and do this walk around the whole island, you can. It takes about 3 hours to do, but you gotta wake up early for it. That's the thing. There goes Darren and Arlo. Bye!